Oh, it looks wet. I'll let you go first, buddy. Well, the last time we did this, it didn't end well. Oh no! I did the same! Oh! Jesus! Not drowning bikes today. Well, I hope not. Yes, finally, now I remember I can go around the puddles, not bury myself in them. Whoa! Where are you? In a bog? Electric Star's what you need. Whoa! Whoa! It's not working out too well. Oh no! Can you get it out? Yes! Oh my god, he's getting covered. Oh. You can do it! Muscle! Go, go, go! Look at this thing! Nearly there! Oh my god, look at the state of him. Did it all by himself as well, good lad. He's out. Now where the hell, I don't know why I'm laughing, I gotta go through it. Although, maybe I can like hover the fine line. Mate, I was thinking, mate, you could do a dipping.
Huh?
You could do a dipping in the river.
Yeah.
We'll stop over here by the big lake. Oh, that was hilarious.